evening everyone present over here, respected Dean Ma'am, faculty members, seniors, juniors and my fellow batchmates. Today, I, Kriti,
I, Soumyashri,
your host for today's evening,
welcome you all to Trajectories.
It is undeniable that as MBBS students, each of us want our academic growth curve to be exponential graph, and deep down we are all looking for support, guidance for the same. Well, luckily for us, we need not look very far. Today we have with us such a personality, the rising trajectory of whose medical career is bound to inspire you all. It's a privilege to introduce a dynamic and accomplished young surgeon who has successfully cleared NEET super specialty, one of the most prestigious and competitive examination in the medical field.
He completed his MBBS from SMU Medical College, Cuttack from 2015 to 2020, earning honors in multiple subjects and a gold medal in surgery for securing the highest marks. He went on to complete his internship at the same prestigious institution. Driven by his passion for surgical sciences, he pursued MS in general surgery from SMU Medical College, Cuttack from 2021 to 2024. Further enhancing his professional credentials, he earned the esteemed MRCS from the Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh, UK in 2024, an achievement that reflects his clinical excellence and global standards of training. He has served as a senior resident in the Department of Surgery at SMU Medical College, Cuttack from May to July 2025 and is currently serving as a senior resident at Bhima Boy Medical College and Hospital, Balangir since August 2025. Known for his academic brilliance, research contributions and dedications to patient care, he represents the new generations of the skilled surgeons committed to excellence.
Today, he joins us to share his knowledge, experiences and insights in this special talk and interactive session. Please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Sumit Ranjan Samal. A big round of applause for him.
I now request our respected Dean Ma'am, Professor Dr. Swayamprabha Pradhan Ma'am, to come up on the stage and felicitate Dr. Sumit Sir with a token of appreciation in recognition of his outstanding performance.
Thank you so much, ma'am. May I now request ma'am to kindly share a few words on this proud occasion.
Respected faculties and my dear students, on the outset, I must congratulate Dr. Sumit for his achievement, and now he will join in some of the prestigious institute of India. Which subject you want? Onco. And very good. Which institute? Tata. Tata is good. So he will complete his MCH, then he will pursue his life in the field of oncosurgery. So, as going to be doctors, I request you all the students that always you, every day you read something what I observed during my so many years of experience now, gradually the students are reading only that small chutty books. They are not going through the original textbooks. And that is the main problem. काहा को कहले के सुननांती एम्स रे कहीं 100टा पिला को 80टा पिला पाइबे तमे कहीं पाइबोनी their mode of teaching is like such that they have to read those books, textbooks. आमे पढ़िला बेले आमे एते चटी बही नथिला कि फोन पाठ हबनी before the exam it is all right ए फोन पाठ फोन रे कोन अछि केमती तमे पेशेंस कोन देखि के पढुछो मु तो भाबी भी पारुनी so always go through these books ठीक अछि छोटा बही रो स्टार्ट करो to always yes or not yes textbook must मो पाठटा सिना रखे जहाँ भी हो आजकल के देखु ना पढ़ो physiology anatomy तो everybody is reading those चौरासिया आउ केते बाहर लानी हम बड़े खाली गोटे 84 का थिला आजकल भी के साना अंग्रेज एनाटॉमी के ही पढुना पूराटा पढिया दरकार नाही तमर जेतकी पोर्शन दरकार दैट पार्ट यू रीड फिजियोलॉजी जो इंपोर्टेंट चैप्टर यू रीड फ्रॉम बुक्स होप यू अंडरस्टैंड तमे बही पढा तम केते दिन पर एटा सुनिले सेबडा पढिले तो भल लागिबनी and books have some other type of impact. Definitely that will enhance your knowledge, not these 30 books. 5 reasons mean 5 causes, 5 causes. That तळे आ किछि नथिबो. तो तमे तो केबे भी inquisitive हबनी से छोट छोट limited कथा पढिले. So how will improve? Then you have to waste again 3 years to prepare for PG. कौन करूछ PG prepare करछि एतरे मते समय होनी मते कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन दियंतु तापरे जेआर हेबा को आसीबो मते कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन दियो मते एनाटॉमी दियो कोन ना PG पढिबो अरे एते वर्ष तो पढलो आउरी पढिबो पढुथुबो 3 or 4 years you will take to get a PG seat नॉलेज आई को से गाम गंडा जंगल रे रहिबो then you will get a seat. Why not during all these 4 years? So please read properly, sincerely, and definitely after passing you will get a seat. No problem. PG seat ete body je nowadays it is not a problem to get a PG seat for a good student. सबको कॉलेज रे गदा गदा पीजी स्टूडेंट बहुत कॉलेज रे पीजी सीट्स खाली रहउछि तमे जदी पेपर पढुथबो जानथबो एंड नॉन क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स आर नॉट बैड सब गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज कथा कहउछि प्राइवेट कॉलेज कथा कहउनि गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज रे देयर आर सो मेनी सीट्स मोर देन 200 सीट्स वर वेकेंट फॉर दीज नॉन क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स ये जस्ट केते दिन तळे आस्तिला हां so do PG in any subject you want not always की क्लिनिकल रे करिवि क्लिनिकल न कले भी लोक बहुत भलो करूचंदी ना ऑल द बेस्ट सुनो भाई को कथा सुनो केमती पाइले से खाली सुनिले हबनी इम्प्लाई ऑन यू रीड प्रॉपर्ली sincerely and constantly हला गोटे काम सब दिन करले तार किछि भलो फल थाए ओकेजनली करले केबे भी हबनी हला ऑल द बेस्ट सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर यू आल्सो
advisor, Professor Dr. Dibyaprasan Mandvi sir, to say a few words on this proud occasion.
Respected Dean and Principal, Professor and HOD of Department of Surgery, dear Sumit, the achiever for the super specialty. See, on this forum, I also want to thank all the students, all the best students of this college, the academic society secretary. So he is he's played the lead role to conduct such an event. So I myself feel proud of Sumit, because when I was an assistant professor in SCB, he was our undergraduate student there. So I'll not say that I have done anything great for him, but it is his hard work, his sincerity and dedication which has made him to get this success. So what Madam has pointed out, like constant perseverance, clearing the fundamentals. See, our medical science is very vast. It's like there is no end to this learning to this medical science. So every day is a challenge. Every day is a day to learn something. It is like you have to go to the basics, and the fundamentals should be always in your pocket. And it's a science. You have to remember a lot of things. But again, basics are important, and if you have the basics, you can capitalize over any of the examinations conducted in our country. You can achieve a success for that. So there is no shortcut to this medical science, and thing is, you have to have an exhaustive reading for this, and you have to focus on the entrance pattern. But basics and the vast knowledge should be there in the pocket. That will be helping you to get a good rank. To qualify in an entrance, we can do shortcut studies. But to achieve what he has achieved, it needs perseverance, dedication, and sincerity right from the first MBBS. He must be very clear in his fundamentals in all the subjects, not only in surgery. Though he had a passion to do in onco, or he had a passion to do in neurosurgery, but he has lately decided to do in onco, and because I think he thinks that he can prosper better, our challenges are more in this subject, because a lot of cases of oncological cancer cases we are getting in our country. So anyway, so the advice to you all is like, you should all give a good effort. Our medical science is a royal subject, and we should maintain that. All of us should, all are good students, and you should try to do that justice to the subject. So all of you can achieve if you really devote your time for that sincere effort. So I once again thank Dr. Sumit for his achievement, and so with this I will, with these few words I want to end my speech. So thank you all, and thank you again for your support.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request our students' favorite, respected Head of Department Surgery, Professor Dr. Asiso Pradhan sir, to kindly share a few words on this proud occasion.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Principal Madam and HOD Michael and students present over here. It is a great moment. Today is a great moment. This occasion is what I have experienced. Nowhere it is celebrated, I think. This is the first medical college which is being celebrated this trajectory. And Sumit, you joined since August. Someone, his friend, called me that Sumit is going a very nice guy, nice student from Barampur. He's also Barampur from Goil, which society? Askar. He's a good friend of mine. He's my best. His friend is my best PG student in the Barampur. His name is Tirupati. Whenever I take help, he immediately runs and solve the problem when I send the patients in Barampur. So anyway, and his work style, but I have observed since 6 months, is very, very good. He uses every day he comes at 9 and totally go give rounds. He sees better way patients and gives a good care to the patient. One incident I want to share. One patient with eye injury care, and madam told that we will keep it for tomorrow, that we will repair it. I called him that RSK था, मैं थी उससे कॉल. I पूछता कहले तू करे कि नहीं करो. से जाएगी तो immediately गला. कौन से बाइक 40 को adjust करी गला. तापरे कॉल कले से सारी दिन. ताने मु भाबिले जे he is so efficient. So without knowledge of this opta knowledge, he could do it very nicely. And Sochola madam called sir Helagi. गुलाम ने शायद तब से थैंक यू जो जा हम कब तो शायद. So how would this to get the this SS super specialty subject is very, very difficult, and there are so many of competitors, and mainly there are demand on gastroenterology and oncology, and he has got oncosurgery in Tata Memorial Hospital. So, and GI was the choice thila, but number one hochi oncosurgery. You have to keep your rank within 100 SS. Yes. And it is my suggestion and advice to all your students that you read Marrow. They have always they are all समस्त Marrow ही पढ़ुछंती टेक्स्ट बुक्स कहीं पढ़ना दे ताको पाखे बही भी अछि तो ऑनलाइन रे अवेलेबल अछि ऐसे भलो भी देछि. I have also read that Marrow book. Good book with the points and all these things. More final plans to start country MCQ, so that is not in the course, but I have started the MCQ. Academic secretary. That is say pura full present. Out of 100, the 90. After last time, the interest coming So it is my advice to Sumit that after complete the oncosurgery department is going to open within 2 to 3 years, and I hope he will join definitely. Thank you, Sumit, for a big congratulations for your great achievement.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm sure that everyone here are eagerly waiting to hear from him. So without further delay, so without further delay, let's make it an interactive session.
এরা যাও বন্ধ করলা ওই ঠান্ডাটা কমে দিল কবে না
Respected Dean Madam and respected DBS sir and Assistant sir, it's a great honor and privilege on my part to be here, and also thanks to Equipment and the Academic Society for your 2-3 days back he called and told that the juniors are interested in knowing about SS. They know already, they knew about the PG because many of them have got from this institute. Actually, and this has been a tough journey of over a decade. I started my career in 2015 at SCB Medical College, Cuttack. Then DBS sir was my guide and assistant professor at that time. I have learned many aspects from all of them different teachers, and my passion for surgery built when I took interest in surgery at depth. So, and that I also got in highest mark in surgery 2000 for final year. Then that one word of Panna sir inspired me to take surgery. That this is an art. We must have a hand of a lady, then eye of an eagle and heart of a lion to pursue a surgery. You must have known about the gym student must have seen about that penguin meme nowadays running then my perspective of knowing that means interpretation is something different. They told that the penguin is a nihilism, that he went towards the mountain, how will he survive? But my personal opinion, it is changed that you have to change. Means if you are going in the same path, then something you can take a different path to achieve something better or something higher that what others don't. Then I agree with that penguin that be a penguin, not in nihilism way that don't go for a suicide and all, but from different perspective, choose a career. Every branch has its own charm actually. Every branch you can prosper in life. I heard one of the teachers saying when I was attending third year classes in pharma that one of the eminent personality took pharmacology as a subject. Now he's in one of the top managing director or something in USA in pharmaceutical company. Then every branch has its own charm. There is not only of surgery. You can choose any branch, you can prosper, and that's it. Thank you.
So my first question is, sir, could you please again introduce yourself to the audience and share your NEET super specialty life with us?
I have made it 2-3 months, some few slides to describe my beginning. And life has three phases of. There are 3 phases. One is beginning or aram, one is safar, and the last one is ant or end. End has not yet come. More to go, miles before I sleep. I have to go travel miles before I sleep. And just the big, there is a quote you must have read somewhere, Odyssey through the ordeals. You have read? Someone? Can one tell? Someone? Can someone tell what is the meaning? This means this is a long journey actually. This is a travel means this is travel through hardship actually. It means actually travel through hardship. The trip has been an odyssey. When he was returning back to his home, he felt many hardship he felt. He traveled to Cyclops and he studied over rain and all. Then he returned back after some 10 years, a decade. So I correlate with this. This is now just completed my 10 years or decade in medical professional. Then next. This is the beginning actually. I born and brought up in Parampur. Then this is a wonderful city. Many must have been to Parampur. And Madam is also from Parampur. Okay.
ନା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେଲେଣି ଆମର ନୂଆ ହଉଛି yes
Maybe 1 or 2 years.
complete not yet completed
Years back when I left
Construction is-
to Balangi, it was like this.
It was like
Yes.
this.
ନା ଏବେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଭଙ୍ଗା ପୁରା ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେଟା
Renovation was
Renovation. Then I did my 10th in Depot School, that one of the most prestigious school in Parampur. Then I completed in 2010 and from Polycott College in 2014. Then next, many have seen this. Many have read. ICSE student must have read this. Note not taken. Must have read this. I was fascinated from that day onwards. From when I read that beautiful poem that suggests that 2 roads diverge in a yellow wood. I stood one of them, then didn't decide. Not the meaning is something like that. That I didn't decide where to go. Then sorry, I could not travel both. And be the one travel along as I stood, and looked down as far as I could, to where it bent in the underneath. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. So as of that, passing there. We must have competed almost 20 lakh or 22 lakh student and to get in over pursuing MBBS. This all you are all standing here competing among 20 lakh student and you choose the path that others did. Beautiful path that this one. This is next. And this is it. I joined on in SCB, one of the most prestigious institute of Odisha, highest. Then in 2015, this is my freshers day. October 3rd, I could remember. October 3rd, 2015. There. This is a picture from on October 3rd. And this is orientation classes going on actually for 7 days actually. And there my journey began, and coming from Barampur to staying in from a different city, never been to outside, just never had some phone. I'm such an introvert guy that time. Then not knowing what to do. Then I have changed within myself also. I have changed studying there. I learned how to speak. I learned the shyness went away from the two careers, and ragging was a part of that time. And that you can't say ragging and interaction. Nowadays, next. And this is my journey of I completed in 2020, and I got highest mark and in surgery in 2020. This I was during COVID time actually, so I did went to Utkal University for collecting the award from governor, but I got it from one of the Banasar. Banasar was also my guide, and I worked under him for 3 years. So this inspired actually to take surgery. After studying into ticketing and in internship also, I did internship work with one of my senior, Dr. Suraj, who was from Kerala. He's such a dedicated guy, and he learned how to give. He taught me actually how to give central line, how to assist in surgery, how to do ICD. Then that developed interest in me, and then I took surgery in 2000 after internship 1 year. This is I already told me the damn time doing that. This is I take it as a different prospect. This is don't be a nihilism like that other comment that don't be like him, but I suggest be like him. Next. There I started in 2021. I started PG surgery under the guidance of Dr. Vanavir Misra sir. And I also, this is my paper and poster presentation in Osasikan Barampur. Sir was also there at that now. Yes. Sir was judging also at that time.
DMT sir ଅଛନ୍ତି ସନ୍ତୋଷ ମିଶ୍ର sir
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସନ୍ତୋଷ sir.
ସେପଟେ
ଦି ଜଣ
ଆମର
କିଏ? ତମ left ରେ କିଏ?
ପଣ୍ଡା sir ଅଛନ୍ତି
Sir, ଆମର president sir ଥିଲେ
ଏ ସାଇ
Sanjay Jain sir.
ଓହୋ
A से president. A से president. ओडिशा sir sir.
ସେପଟେ ତ ଯୋଗଦାନ ଏଇ ପଣ୍ଡା sir ଅଛନ୍ତି
कौन से sir?
ସେତେବେଳେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ ନାଇଁ ବରହମପୁର ସାର୍ କି ପଣ୍ଡା
ସେ ପଛକಡೆ ଚରଣ ପଣ୍ଡା
ଚରଣ
ପଣ୍ଡା ସାର୍ ଏଇଟା ନା
ओह This is a beautiful moment I had after 2 years of pursuing residency. Then that last moment is always special, submitting thesis. That residency comes to an end. Then next I joined here beautiful place at Balangir, didn't knowing what to do about others. Many undergraduates and interns, they helped me a lot, and faculties also there. Bharat sir was there. Many the department cooperated also very well. Next. This is some of the surgery. I will not go into that. Next. Sir, good. I have to say, I would want to this is peritoneal carcinoma. This is a rare case that I did in emergency. This is beautiful, huh? This is actually I did when I started when I thought of going to a different place, Balangir, how will I feel? And I've never been outside Barampur to Cuttack to Barampur. That's all. Then in outside, but it's a beautiful place. Climates are very good when I entered in August. When in morning sunny and in evening rainy season, that time was a beautiful place, and I have got many help from undergraduate students. Some of my interns, they helped me a lot, like adjusting to this new place, and I don't think I will feel the edge good after I leave this place. It's beautiful place. Again, campus, this is beautiful campus.
The most
Beautiful
beautiful
campus
campus
with that
Mountain view and
ଗୋଟେ
scenic.
ଜିନିଷ ରହିଗଲା deficiency, I love Williams 900 product ଏଟା ସେଟା very shortly ଟା
Shortly,
ମାନେ ହବ
I get it.
ମାନେ union ର ଏଟା ଅଛି demand I will do that. I love Williams ବରହମପୁରରେ I love FPC ନାଇଁ
I love
I love SCB ବି ଅଛି
SCB ଅଛି garden ରେ।
କାଇଁ ତମ ଫଟୋ ତ ନାହିଁ I love it ସବୁ
That's
ଦେଖ
like both photos of both selected each memories. This I want to tell to my junior actually. Don't get into some online sources. I won't name them. Many are there. Don't do study actually. Standard books. Study standard books. When I entered into final year, I didn't know about this. After I completed final year, I had some MCQ question app I took, but before that I studied Robbins, then Microfilm Standard Book, and Bailey. Then some Harrison is too difficult to complete actually. So, but some points I took. And at that time, these are not were not there. And most importantly, clinical classes. When you attend the clinical classes and when you go in do night ward and all, night ward, PGB, SCGB in surgery and all many other departments also coming soon. Naman ko nahi night ward party ke de hote, but actual case presentation helped me a lot in solving MCQ actually. Clinical questions are coming in nowadays, not one-liner and all. So that helped a lot. Rakta mari ki kichhi kosi ki kichhi he paribani. Basic concepts clear and clinical. You see the patient either in my case surgery case and you see the hernia patient, you see the criteria for being patient, you diagnose acute appendicitis. What can be other also? What is the age of the patient? What is the different aspects of that? You analyze and discuss among them yourself. Ask next day to the teachers, even in the one class or in the ward or in the OPD, wherever that I studied criteria COSA, some mass is there, what would be the probable diagnosis and how to differentiate others. That you can do, discuss among yourself. And next, so education is not the learning of the time, the training, it is the only the training of the mind to think. When you think, you retain more. That I can tell. Is this there? No, definitely not. I had miles to go before I sleep. This is not the end actually, and then many of them started actually. No, the suffer is very long actually from now onwards. Next, yeah, I have copies to keep and I have miles to go before I sleep. This is by fascinated by actually most of the poet and poem by Robert Frost. As a very next. Many students, many junior have asked, have you seen failure? I told failure, confidence develops not from success. Confidence develops when you survive the failure. I failed many times. This looks simple. I failed many times. I failed when I took preparation for 1 year, then I didn't get good, after 12th, I didn't get good rank enough to even get a Burla seat. BSS at that time, 3 colleges were there. And then I took as a challenge and they studied one more year to get into SCB. Then second, there is I have failed this time also. Not failure, I can say. It's the improvement. I improved when before joining here. When I took NEET SS as a fresher, that my rank was something 1069, 1089. I decided once after coming here, before joining actually here, I decided no, how will it feel? Then let's take Euro was not. I didn't get actually Euro at SCB. Then I took that. Chalo, ठीक है. I have to take neurosurgery at SCB so that I can be in SCB. And, but when I came here and started seeing and liking the atmosphere and students and all, then I decided no, I think that was not my first choice. Every branch is good, but my personal opinion, this is not my first choice. That may take 5-6 months again to prepare. So I have also failed. And next, I will talk about something that you can is this is my personal, not a story of a real incident. Right? Why I choose actually surgery as a part and as a oncosurgery I am going to pursue. There is a story or there is a real incident behind that. When I didn't get, as shortly I am telling, when I didn't get, I got actually something around 8,000 or 9,000 rank in NEET PG. Few seats were there, and I didn't get in first round, second round, and third round in one of the any colleges in Odisha or in outside also. Then I decided to give to 2022 NEET, so I form fill up the curriculum. Then the exam of NEET 2022 was on May 9th, May 21st. And I didn't get till third round. That was over by April 30th. One round was left. That was straight vacancy round. No, straight mop-up. So that was conducted physical round in Budla. I went there. Didn't hope anything that I will get or not, because and that time I was not actually preparing. Also preparing for the next date. Because there is few months gap between that. Due to COVID, there is overlap. So then that time that stay vacancy round was on May 2nd. Stay vacancy round first we will go into in-service. Then after May 1 in-service student man kotala May 2 re kila general direct kila. So before I booked a ticket to Budla for taking admission in. If I get, I will take. Otherwise, after 20 days, I have need to appear. Then on that day, when I was on April 30th, I was scheduled to depart from Cuttack on May 1. I will reach Budla at May 2. I will attend the counseling. I will come back. If I get sick, I will take. Otherwise, I will prepare next 20 days to appear on the 2022 on May 21st. So that night, when I was to leave, previous night, I got call from my mother that my grandmother is no more. So that was heartbreaking for me, and she was suffering from actually carcinosarcoma ovary, operated in Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad, 3 years back, 2019. So I have multiple comorbidities, stage 4 ascites, and then few days back, she fell from bathroom and a vascular pathological fracture in the hip joint. She developed, and that day night, I went at morning 5 a.m. Train was scheduled at night actually on that day. I went, did all the rituals, then I came back. Then that moment I felt that then I realized and told that my mother told to ask a wish in her ears. I told just at least I have an industrial surgery. I can get, I told her that I want to get a surgery seat. Anyhow, not a pain of holiday, I want to pursue surgery. Okay, I want to take surgery. In her ears I told, maybe by, even I was getting ortho and all, on the next day, I took a train in the night, went there, despite all mental disturbance and all, I took, then I got, I don't know, it might be a luck, it might be a destiny, or it might be a blessing from her. And I got, I didn't know that how I got, but I got surgery, and I will not ashamed to say that seat was also got converted from PH quota. There was no UR seat, that was converted, the PH seat was converted, and that into UR, as there was no physically challenged candidate. So this was my story. Then that pursue of that onco surgery developed from that, either onco or gastro, but I saw her suffering from multiple comorbidities and all. Then that's the story. That's the destiny. Then even sir, body mass like for the next interview, I got 6,000 and many 6,000 rank after 20 days. Form fill up to body the next
scenario रे को टॉप रे ଅଛି ତମର
GI.
GI ଟା काई जेते डिमांड
Because of sir, mostly of south take demand besi as compared to Odisha. South more of esophageal carcinoma and all. Tapre liver cirrhosis.
टॉप पूरा तो GI
Liver transplant. Then Europe. So this is what is destiny work. Next, as I told, what is destiny? Many must have experienced failed once, then got up, and yeah, when God wants to grow, He will never, He will break you first, and only He can fix everything. Yes, that's. Thank you. Next. This is my grandmother. She is my grandmother. And my brother is also studying intensive at SC Medical College. And internship, he will give PG at August 31.
आउटे GI ର ଅଙ୍କର ମୋର୍ଟାଲିଟି ବେଶୀ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେଠି ତଳେ ଅଛି ଆଉ GI ଭଲ ପଇସା ଗୋଲ ବାଟର କାଟିଲେ 30,000
But sir, overlapping branch na GI ta.
ଭଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ନୋସିସ୍ ଭଲ ଗୋଲ ବାଟର
General surgery भी GI, then onco भी GI.
50,000 ଥିବ ମୋର ତ
Sir, they are more into carcinoma aspect. And GI ro carcinoma ta onco କରୁଛନ୍ତି. GI surgery is restrict, but narrow branch. I am also interested in GI. But pursue a liver transplant and
ଗୁଡ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ୟୁରୋ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ମରିବାର ନାହିଁ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଏଣ୍ଡୋସ୍କୋପି କଲୁ ଲକ୍ଷେ ପକେଇ
any questions? Any questions from?
Congratulations, sir. So, what was the reaction when you saw your NEET SS results? Where were you at that moment, and who was the first person who shared the news with?
I was in my here only. I was here in my SR quarter. But then I didn't know that about that result. And Sanjana Didi told me how I was there taking coffee in Santipatna, that stall. Then Sanjana Didi called me and what was your rank? Then I told her result article. Then I saw. Then first call I did was to my mother, family. Then she was also driving back somewhere else. He went to some city. Then she was starting. That was the reaction. Happy actually.
How important was your family's support in your journey, and how did they contribute to your success?
This has been a long journey, I have told you, and there's immense support from actually when I get some low and I call usually to my mom and my brother, and he actually takes advice from me how to handle stress and how to simultaneously to study, doing pursuing intensive, how to simultaneously study for PG and many juniors asked me, right, apan to khali padhile, but then extra I have I have traveled many places in residency during my undergraduates, explored many places with my family, alone, with friends. I've traveled to Kashmir, then Rajasthan, Goa, Mumbai, Shirdi. Every year I go to Shirdi to take a darshan. And many places I've been, Hyderabad, South, Kerala, many places I've been. From residency stuff, every year one trip must. Now I'm going to Banaras. I had took permission from leave from 3 days to Banaras in February 26th. I'm going just to take the blessing and start a new journey. Any questions from newcomers? After that, madam.
Sir, there is an audience favorite question. If you could share the differences between preparing for post-graduation and super specialty in terms of duration,
They
subject
must not
wise.
have known actually what is super specialty and how it is divided actually. Most after completion of 5 years and doing 1 year of internship, you have postgraduate in almost in medicine, surgery, gynec, pediatric. Many are end branches like ortho, gynec. Even gynec had some most super specialty coming up like in vitro fertilization or skin derma is a end branch. There is no need to pursue some more. But after few years, all will become a super specialty subjects. After doing derma, also you go and do for aesthetic surgery and or for cosmetology, you go and pursue another 3 years MCH or DM. And PG is something you study from all the 19 subjects. Mostly clinical they are interrelated with each other. You will not know that this question is from gynec or this question is from surgery. They will interrelate actually. So that clinical knowledge holds good when you go and appear for NEET. You prepare the subjects, you do notes, you study tables, that crisp knowledge you have, then go to Word and take over the rest. Over 5 years and 6 years you study. Then most of the questions are now becoming clinical type, not one-liner. So this is, and after completion of PG in subjects, mostly the two broad branches are there. That is one medicine and surgery. There are many super specialty. In medicine, you can go for nephrology, then cardiology, gastroenterology, then neurology, and in some same counterpart in surgery, neurosurgery, oncosurgery, gastrosurgery, and urology, then cardiac surgery, pediatric surgery. Every different aspects are there. Yeah.
Okay, sir, while preparing for PG, how did you balance your preparation with the college studies and MBA?
This is also an interesting story that had happened. This is interesting. Actually, at that time, that academic was 1 year late. Gote was a late result. When you go for when you pass out in 2021, I completed my 2021 September. I completed my internship. Then you can't give 2021 PG because that schedule for 2021 PG was every year it happens in January or April that year, but we are not eligible on that day on that year. So I was planning to give 2022 PG. So basic doing work and studying for 2-3 hours every day and at least 100 questions every day. Wherever how much duty you have, 8 hours duty, 12 hours duty. Even while doing duty, if you are able enough that you saw the patient, you came back, you advise something. During and another patient, you do 10 questions. Then during night time when I get time during duty and night time and also we have 2-3 hours, then to 100 at least 30 to 50 questions initially, then you can, depending on what duty you get. If you are getting hectic duty, then you can do at least 50 questions per day after completing a subject, or you can take study ENT for 2-3 days. Then you do 300 questions or subject wise test, take subject wise test for 3 hours whenever you get time. So that I was telling them that due to COVID second wave that got postponed to September 12. I completed PG on September 1, August 31st. After 12 days, then I knew that that I was going to MBA. That 2 months, then that timing duty was there actually at that time. Then I managed. My actual friends helped me a lot. They told that we are prepared, and then we will manage 1 month or last 1 month we will manage doing duty there. So they helped me a lot. They did my duty on my of my that. Actually, I believe in 4-to-1 rule. Those who are appearing, those who are going to appear in 2026. To take 4-to-1 rule, I prefer. This is personal choice. I prefer 4 months of revision first attempt, then attempt first and questions 4 months, then 2 months rapid revision, then last 1 month another revision. So you get 3 revision in 7 months, and revision you divide a long subject and short subjects. Then you take psychiatry 2 days or 3 days, micro patho as a 4 days, 5 days. If you are not at a stretch, you can interrelate between patho, pharma. You can 1 day patho, 1 day pharma, 1 day micro. Then you set a target of completing 3 or 4 subjects in 1 month. That will that's something is personal choice that how they read.
Who has been your greatest inspiration throughout this journey?
Microsoft ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବ ପାଠରେ ପଢ଼ିଲେ
I believe in God actually first. Without Him,
everything
wherever you go, you will fail. Wherever you go, you won't success. If He doesn't have bless you, and at that everything is distant. You can get जो होना है वो होगा. You can't think of much, and from parents to teachers, during my undergraduate also many teachers. So every field when I met pathology, madam was there, surgery, sir was there. Every aspects of journey is inspiration, and I learned many from juniors too. They are also inspiration for me.
What are your future goals and aspirations?
Planning to pursue surgical onco, and hopefully I want to serve patient in Odisha. I don't want to go settle outside, and as of now I'm thinking of settling here in Odisha. But let's see what happens.
Okay, so to end on a lighter note, what was the least favorite subject during the medical school?
I can't say favorite, least favorite. No, sir. No. I liked that lecture, and I was studying with Apurva Sastry. I was studying that teachers and secretary.
MBBS Barampur.
Again, sir?
He's a alumni Barampur.
He's from MBBS from MPC.
Apurva Sastry. MBBS Barampur.
MBBS Barampur.
Top minded.
Bohi.
Voice on phone.
I would have said
ପାନିକରମ ଜାଣିଛି ପାନିକର
pictures are less in Panikar, Anantanaran, and more in Apurva Sastry.
Obviously, it's a modern लगा है सेटा बहुत पुराना हुआ
सर तार जो स्क्रिप्ट जो लिखला पड़े तार था एक पॉइंट वाइज
से लिखित से पिला कैच कला
पड़े
परीक्षा रिलेटेड
not micro, but I can say not least favorite, but boring. It's community medicine. But not difficult to pass exam, right? Whatever is mostly, but it is every branch I have told earlier, every branch has its own chapter. Just I felt something.
what message or advice would you like to give to your juniors and aspiring future doctors? Like how early to prepare for the PG?
There is actually no, nowadays they are taking narrow, other apps from first year onwards. That's not the case. Study at least 2-3 hours. Most important is clinical subjects, and most important is studying books. Books that help a lot actually. From starting from the fundamental concept, you will be books. And clinical aspect, see the patient, what is the type of the hernia, what is the hernia, then what is the anything you see the patient from medicine cases also, sickle cell, thalassemia, see the patient, discuss with different, there is some, all, every clinical subjects have all the different branches as interrelated to it. Go and see patho how is in department how it's microscopy is done, blood, how bone marrow aspiration is done, how sickling test is done. Then if it is associated with parvovirus, then go to sir and ask how is you look into parvovirus in sickle cell patient. So these are all then how to manage splenomegaly and all you learn from medicine, then surgery, splenectomy. They're all interrelated departments. There is no one. If you go and see the patient first, examine splenomegaly is there, sickle cell patient, rule out hemoglobinopathy, rule out, then perform peripheral blood smear, go and see what is the findings body. So and so bodies are there, then go sickling test is there, then you go to HPLC, how many percentage is there, what is associated, it is homo or heterozygous, just go and see. Then as surgical medicine part, how management of acidosis, coagulopathy, this is not an academic session, so many are there, coagulopathy, acidosis, hypothermia, how to prevent that. Go and talk to the medicine resident or senior resident or faculty or ask how will manage that. If you are coming to surgical aspect, performing cholecystectomy with sickle cell, what precaution you take to deal with sickle cell, then how cholecystectomy, what extra precaution you take to deal with cholecystectomy, splenectomy, what is the post-operative changes. These are all the interrelated department actually. Go and see. Then you get an overall idea of sickle cell. You are third year MBBS, you can easily write the second year that if you get a long person in sickle cell, you can write about clinical features, then tests, investigation, all. In final year also same subjects. So there is you must integrated teaching is now becoming will help you a lot. Thank you. Any questions from first years or juniors? Any questions?
I invite the audience to feel free to ask their questions, if any, and interact with our esteemed speaker and make the most of this opportunity.
I was also the last bencher actually.
Those who want to ask,
Sir, last was Tilipura.
kindly raise your hands and the microphone will be passed on to you.
Feel free to ask. Ask.
No, sir.
You come here. Okay.
As a final year MBBS student, now we are exposed to 11 subjects for our MB exam. So we experience a lot of what we call FOMO, or fear of missing out.
You have missed out many things. Even I have missed out many things. Many part you missed out actually. But you learn about some important facts and important topics that you regularly see. That will only be nowadays. No one will ask about some of this the digit that didn't even none have been seen. They will ask even medicine also. You will common cases they are asking, and then questions are also like that. Say you have CVA, malaria. Questions that important topics and common topics you read. That is for final MBA, I can say. And completing ENT Optha is not a big task for MD. You can take, hardly you study for 1-2 days in between all big subjects, surgery, medicine, and gynae pediatric. Then all three, then ortho, ENT and Optha. You have, you can take maximum 2 days, 3 days to study one topic, then you can move on to major subjects. Most important is clinical cases nowadays. Clinical, if you see the clinical cases of right alien fossa mass or something acute cholecystitis, you can write. After seeing the clinical features, you see the report, what findings you get, what is the range count in TLC, and what could have been done, what is expected, what is interval, what is open, what is appendicular lump, something. You go and study and discuss among yourself. Medicine is not about studying alone. That you did and preparing for undergraduate, that you study for, because there is competition. Discuss that is not in medicine actually. Medicine you discuss among yourself, and if you have any doubt, go and ask teachers the next day, or you keep doubt in go and do OPD and see multiple cases. Gynae OPD go, surgery OPD go. Anytime you go, emergency also sit for 1 hour. You will see multiple cases. Head injury, what are the changes in the head injury? Then you will see many how. Then you go to micro department, see how swab is been taken, how swab has been cultured, what is bacteritis, and everything is practical role. Most of them are practical. You go and see different cases, you will learn something. And after coming and seeing a patient of acute appendicitis, come and read what is starting from anatomy. Because finally some subjects that you start from anatomy. What is the length? What is anatomy? Then you go to pathology. What is the pathology? What is the histopathology picture? When Banasar was, I got scolded 2-3 times, and I didn't open the cut section of that. This is a work of pathologist, no doubt. But you got and see what is inside. Either there is a fecalith, or is there the mucosal is hyperemia, or what? Serosa is there or sloughed out, maybe a gangrenous or something. You gross examination you do as a surgeon. That many times I got then in cholecystectomy also cut the specimen whether it is you just see and do that. And then you can learn actually. You see the appendix cut open, then ask madam what is the finding, what is the that's.
Anybody from the juniors?
Many are first years, I think they are new to to start. Don't focus on actual read GC nowadays. Focus on clinical, you will crack it. Most of them focus on clinical. If your target is fixed, no, you have narrowing yourself. That you need PG karibar ache. For that, what you do? You go to library, study 10 hours. At the end, you don't get the output. କିଛି ମନ ରହିବନି 10 ଘଣ୍ଟା ବହି ମାନେ ମେର ଦେଖିବ ବା MCQ କର. Then if you are take it, if jaundice patient you take, then you examine 2-3 in surgery. If you will find jaundice patient, in medicine you will find jaundice patient. In jaundice you categorize jaundice as 3 jaundice, and you examine the patient. What is the finding? What you have to study it. You go and ask. Even to JR or resident or something, you ask, sir, this is a obstructive jaundice. What is the use of the ultrasound, or what is the use of the MRCP or ERCP? What is the use? If this is a hemolytic jaundice, is there any hemoglobinopathy associated or not? Ask them. You can also suggest them you can take for either peripheral blood spot, HPLC, bone marrow aspiration, or whether it is a plastic anemia. You just correlate something. Then only you can starting marking and after going to from 9 to 9 hours will not benefit you. Your mind narrow is. You can become a good, you can get top rank, but you can't become a good clinician. Clinician by सब जगह knowledge. मु surgery खाली मु surgery करी देबी. आउ मते single cell गोटे patient आसला मु जानि परिबी बा अन्य किछ गोटे पासे patient बा अन्य infectious disease गोटे patient आसला मु जानि परिबी. That is not I am at fault. I have studied 5 years all this 19 subjects. But मुझे तो गोटे patient को diagnosis करी पानी and only मुझे खाली hernia hydrosis diagnosis करी बार अच्छा वो appendix. Then there is nothing, no point in studying all the 5 years. You must outside body नहीं पूरा PG complete करला पर बहुत senior हेले भी हमको मान रहे हो जे ओ disease सहित बहुत जीन एसोसिएटेड थिला नले जेमती तमे बॉटनी जेतळे बा जूलॉजी रे कोन सिकल सेल रो ट्रांस माने जो हमरो पॉइंट म्यूटेशन मन थिला से बुट से एबे मन अछि केमती हमरा काई बुझी दिला से हां बेटा को बिचे त सेटा जेबे काई से बुझी दिला हला से पढाई थिला जे केमती हबो सेटा भैलिन गोस रिटर्न गोस तो एटा काम से हां तो सेटा पढिथिल बे एबे मन अछि तो सेमती मन रही तो लाइफ लॉन्ग मन रही मे नॉट बी एग्जैक्ट क्लिनिकल में जो तुम 100 टा रु 10 टा कहि परिबन बट एट लीस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्लिनिकल में जो 3-4 टा मन अछि focus on more on clinical section then on marking of data and
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights and experiences. Your journey reminds us that with clarity of purpose and consistent effort, even the most challenging goals can be achieved.
Okay, on behalf of everyone present here, we extend our heartfelt congratulations and the best wishes for your future endeavors. May you continue to excel and inspire many more inspiring doctors. Thank you all for being a wonderful audience. Thank you.
जहाँ भी anywhere anything doubt when you feel low or something or I was in duty and one of your student came then I got a radial artery injury then tendon injury bhai asantu kali kar na gotama student ro na se exam do na next day then I asked him what to do then I told him that Sachin Tendulkar before scoring 100 centuries he had failed many times. He had played 700 or 500 or exactly 700 matches to get 100 centuries. And even now, every you see then failure and part and parcel of life. Then last year, because of well, maybe he not about the exam, then he attempted some suicide attempt. And then I told and counseled him. Then whenever you feel anything, or when you stuck at anywhere, feel free to ask me or you can contact me or over phone also. If I didn't pick up, I will call you back at any moment. Or if you drop a message that I am stuck at that career, what to do next? Or I am feeling low at that point because I didn't do or I failed in some exam. Tomorrow is my supply exam. What to do, how to study. Then these are any moment, any time, you can contact me over any, all the social media platforms are available. And you can mail, you can WhatsApp message, Insta, Facebook, anywhere you call. You can directly call also. If I'm free, I can pick up or I will call you back whenever you feel. Engage in some extracurricular activities, you travel a trip, plan a trip to the Pulapli. This is so medical subject is so tight and so fast that many are there that our time first interview our first asked I will score 90% mark in MBBS. That's good, but again. Sir, not in the question of BBM, that's enough. But like sir, first year, second year, MCS period.
Manos 3 years ଭିତରେ 3 ଦିନ ଛୁଟି ନେଇଛି 3 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ ଆଚୁଡ ହେଲା 3 ଦିନ ମାନସ ଦାସ
Pediatrics is the best pediatric surgeon.
ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ବେଷ୍ଟ
He's the best pediatric surgeon.
And who Ayush?
Who naam जाननी?
Say MBBS.
No. Manas very young.
Manas,
45 from age of.
3 years ଭିତରେ 3 ଦିନ ସେ
Engineering से अहमदाबाद रे करता है LTM अहमदाबाद. And MCH exam they will give it a different place. No internal.
अरे मैंने ଶୁଅନ୍ତି ସେଇଠି ସେ
Ah,
ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ର
ସେଇଠି.
ପାଖ
Yes,
ରୋଡରେ
work from
ପାଖ
ground
ରୋଡରେ
ରୁ କାମ
ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ
କରେ।
3 ବର୍ଷ
ହଁ।
3 ଥର ମୁଁ ଛୁଟି ନେଇଯିବି।
Ground ରୁ
ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ
କାମ
ରେ
କରୁଛି
ସାର୍
ନା,
ମାନେ
ସେ
ପାଖ
background
ରୁମରେ
cover
ଶୋଇଥିବେ
ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବେ।
ମାନେ ଦିନ ରାତି 24 hours
ଏଠି ଆମର କଣ ହଉଛି?
ଏମାନେ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ
Patients
ଭାବି
ने भेंट्रो
ଆମେ କାହିଁକି
नर्स करो सेमती नो बट हियर वर्क एट लाइक दैट
ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଛାଡିକି ବାକି ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟରେ ବି
ସେ ଭେଣ୍ଟୁଲମ୍ ସେଠି କେହି ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ନର୍ସକୁ ଡାକିବେ
वेरी क्लिनिकली
ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ଦେବେ
वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट सर
ନିଜେ ତ ବ୍ଲଡ୍ ଧରିକି ଯିବୁ
ରିପୋର୍ଟିଂ କରିକି ଆସିବା
କାଗଜ ସବୁ ଦେବୁ।
से एमबीबीएस फ्रॉम बुर्ला एमएस फ्रॉम बुर्ला एंड पेडियाट्रिक सर्जरी नंबर 1 पेडियाट्रिक सर्जन ओडिसा लैप्रोस्कोपी करे सब बढ़िया करे
थैंक यू सर
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ବର୍ଷ ସାରା ସେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ରହୁଛି